Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As per your valuable feedback, I have updated the documentation I sent to the many people. Whoever want this documentation, you can contact this email ID. Thank you. Let's go to our topic today. What are the major changes in S4 HANA Finance Universal Journal, and why was ACDOCA introduced? ACDOCA, this is a table, was introduced to eliminate redundancy and ensure single source of truth. You call it as a single source of truth normally for ACDOCA table. Before S4HANA, FI and CO had multiple tables, as you know, BSEC, COP, ANEP, and ML tables, etc. with the universal journal. With the universal journal means with ACDOCA, all line items FI, CO, asset account, ML, and COPA write into one table called ACDOCA. Okay. So because of this, no reconciliation required between FICO, FIAA, FIML, and FICOPA. Every posting is extensible using extension ledger fields and customer fields. Real-time analytics using HANA views. The major benefits are reducing the closing time, so month-end closings, okay, increase the reporting speed, and support multi-dimensional reporting using the semantic tags. The reporting hectics now reduced. What are the top APP issues you handle in real time in your real projects? Okay, you can say like the common issues: vendor not picked in proposal. While you executing proposed APP run, the vendor is not picked because of missing payment method in master data. Okay, maybe sometimes you missed to enter payment method details in master data. Bank not picked, so payment method in country company code is incomplete. Okay, and wrong house bank assignment in FBZP. This is FBZP part is if incomplete, so this will happen. No valid IBAN for international payment. For international payment we require IBAN, so that is not mentioned, and payment block at the line item level. So these are major issues we'll get. So one of the example, like you can give, how do you determine vendor bank priority when multiple bank accounts exist? Okay, if we have multiple bank accounts, how do you handle? So vendor bank is priority determined mainly by using the ranking order. This is LFBK table, so vendor banking table. This is the bank account with the ranking 1 is chosen first. However, SAP also checks payment method, requirement, and house bank configurations in FBZP. If the invoice contains specific partner bank type, the bank overrides the ranking order, so that is the priority. So for the example, in the master data or document level, you given partner bank type, that only it will choose as a priority one. So the final priority is ranking order. First it will check for the normally in document level, if the partner bank type is, that will choose, otherwise the normal priority ranking order, payment method relevance, house banking rules, partner bank, and the invoices. Explain the complete FIMM integration flow in S4HANA. FIMM integration happens through these are account keys, GRIR account, and price difference account. Okay, so first the PO is created, then GR will be posted. So when the GR is happen, in account debit to GRI account credit. When next IR will be posted. At the time of IR, GRI account debit to vendor account credit. If the PO price not equals to invoice price, the price difference will occur, that will go to PRD account hit. So the stock account changes recorded through BSX. This is the account key, BSX account key, through account modifier VBR VAX. This is the complete flow. We will maintain normally these account keys, these OBYC settings. Okay. GRR account is not clear after IR. So what you will do? Normally through you can check the MR11 transaction, and then after FDAR13 auto clearing, check the POST for quantity. If any quantity is mismatch, you can check the from the May 23N. You can check the POST any quantities matches a mismatch. Missing account assignments in OBYC settings. You can check this if IR is not clear. Explain a real-time scenario where you created validation in S4 HANA. So scenario means the company code requires here the company code requires that all expenses post must contain profit center. Without profit center, the account should not be post. Okay, that time what you will do? You need to create a one validation rule in the line item level. Okay, we will have like a header, line item, and complete document. You should choose like line item. So in the prerequisites you can mention like posting to expenses GL. Okay, check the profit center equals to blank. If the profit center is blank, the message should trigger. This is the logic you need to put in the validation rule. So you can give the all expenses GL account range, and the profit center is equal empty, then the error should be trigger. That is the logic. You can keep it as a for validation rule. Once the validation rule you created, you can activate it. Okay. Sorry, this is activation for the OB28. You can create a validation for the validation transaction code is GGB0. Okay. Explain a real issue you faced with SD billing to FI account posting in S4. Once issue was incorrect, the issue was incorrect revenue GL account determined for certain sales or plant combinations, causing a revenue to go to generic GL instead of the product line GL accounts. So what happened? While billing accounting document release, this incorrect revenue GL is triggering. What you need to check normally using VKVO and account determination analysis tool. Once you go to account determination, exact combination of sales arg and customer account assignment group material was checked. You can mention like this. So this will be, we will check like VKVO combination. We need to check like account assignment and material group was checked. The fix was to maintain proper condition records in VKVA, where required the adjust material or customer master account assignment groups. So for example, incorrect account assignment or material account assignment happen, so that causes issue. So you need to check and you need to adjust it through VKVA. After correction, SD billing created an FI document hitting the correct revenue and receivable accounts is automatically. Business says customer is overdue but not picked in the dunning run. How do you analyze this? So dunning is happening but the customer is not picking. Whereas you need to check the customer, check the master data, confirm dunning procedure is assigned to customer or not. Check the whatever dunning that procedure is assigned to customer master data, and the account is not blocked for the dunning. Whatever the customer that is blocked for the dunning or not. Check this. Then review the open item, ensure they are due or not blocked for dunning individually. If the open items for the customer open items, you need to check that is ensure that is due or not blocked for the dunning, and the meet minimum amount or percentage thresholds. We will maintain right in FBMP settings that you need to check. Finally, verify the run parameters. While executing an FI entry, company code, dunning date, documents up to date, dunning procedure, dunning area. Check these things. Often the root cause is missing dunning procedure in master data. So dunning block or grace period at not elapsed, incorrect selection of parameters. Any one of the root cause will be there. Okay. Thank you very much.